Hi everybody, welcome back to Friday Sews. I'm Alison, this is Sew Like Dotty, and this is a little quick catch up of what I've made this week. So sorry if you're used to me appearing on a morning with your coffee, your croissant, your cornflakes, your toast. I've had a lot going on this week in the family. It's running into next week a little bit, and yeah, sewing time's been reduced a bit and life's been really busy, and not much gets in the way of sewing, does it? But family does, of course. So what I'm wearing is the make I'm going to share with you from this week. I started it on, I think I cut it out weeks ago when I first talked about it on the vlog. Sorry, that's probably the pause. And it was a shirred dress. So this fabric, I'll stand up, was from Sew Hayley Jane in a box maybe a couple of years ago. I think there was a pink sort of colourway in it. I absolutely adore the fabric. And I have a couple of the shirred dresses. Yeah, it is 2 years since I made it, and I just wasn't reaching for this one. I think I didn't quite have the sleeves tight enough. I mean, I could have easily remedied that, but I had another metre because it was a little bit short. I'd ordered an extra metre to put a ruffle on, but I'd just never really done it. So I decided I would rehash it. I love diving into things and having like a bit of a play and thinking, what else could I do with that? You know, if it's something I'm wearing, obviously not, but if it's something I'm not wearing, then is there anything I can do to revamp it, rejig it, change it around? I mean, effectively, it almost became a completely new make. The only thing I wasn't able to do, on the Fibre Mood Judy, I'll put the picture in, you can see that there's, across here, it comes down and up. That's part of the feature. I knew if I put the down bits in, it's about maybe 4 inches, but I knew that was going to stop me having enough fabric to do the ruffle. So what I did was, originally, I cut the front pattern piece level with that V onto the fabric, but then I realised that the side seam joined up where the V went back up, of course. So I recut the front level with that. So it's a loose, sorry, you're staring at my boobs again, but it's a loose fitting dress. I do think that V is very flattering, but also with the skirt, the skirt of the dress that I was wanting to revamp wasn't as wide as the skirt of the Judy dress. So I knew I wasn't going to kind of be able to manage the gathers and things around that. So I couldn't do that basically. So the skirt, the whole dress was always very swishy on the bottom, but obviously being shirred, it was quite fitted across the bust. And I absolutely adore this dress, and I'm not going to apologise for revamping it and remaking it, because I love it. There'll be more. But at the moment, as you know, eyes are getting there-ish, and yeah, what else have I had? I had a bit of a virus at the beginning of the week. I think loads of people are poorly at the moment across the world. And anyway, I'm fine now. Eyes aren't yet, but I'm sticking to simple things. I do add 2 inches on the sleeves, which is the perfect length for me, and I just adore it. I don't need to explain that and justify that to you guys. I mean, if you're sick to death of seeing me make it, then okay, I get that. But check me out on Sunday, because I will be back with my July, can you believe it's July, sewing plans, and I have got some different makes planned. So I'll drop in some pictures of how it looks. So it's got the ruffle on. I redid the rolled hem on the bottom of it because I really like that. Interesting, between my 2 baby lock overlock machines, on the Enlighten, on the rolled hem, I have to have it sort of between 0 and 1 to get the nice effect that I like. And on the Acclaim, when I did that, it was really broad and just totally different. So on the Acclaim, it needs to be on 1. Different machines, slightly different settings. So I've got that sorted now. And I really like the effect of it with the ruffle on. So it may be that in the future I might do some more with the ruffle on, or maybe some of the other things that I want to amend, I might just put this top onto them, I don't know. But I'm really, really pleased with it. I hope you like it too. I have got some Liberty Vans that are very, very similar to this, and it's ideal to wear with those, but I've just got it on with some sandals for today. So what else has happened this week? I've got some fabric coming from Jenny Stitches, just 1 metre. I joined Jenny Stitches on her live at 5 Instagram last Friday. If I can't catch it live, which I rarely do, I do watch it on YouTube. And Jenny just shows generally what new things she's got in, and she shared a cotton canvas but that had some waterproofing. Now cotton canvas has generally got a waterproof element to it, but you might remember the tote pack that I made. I'll drop a picture in the sew over it one I made in like a white fabric, and I love it. I'm using it all the time. I'm putting everything in it to go to my social sewing sessions. You get loads in it. But when we go to France later in the year, I'm going to be on and off planes. It's like planes, trains and automobiles really. So I want something that can just not be more robust, because the bag's robust, but something that's going to be easily wipeable and not white. And I always knew I was going to make another one because I love it. So I've been ordering some of the bag, you know, the different bits, the sliders, the D-rings, all of those sort of things. So I've just been kind of getting those together really. I put loads of, I don't think I said this last week, maybe I did, loads of zips onto zipper tape when I was sat outside in the sun last week. I'll pop a picture of that, trying to get a bit ahead of the game, sort of gauge, and you know, mostly I would need about this length. So, because I find them really hard to get on. So I was like, right, I'm on a roll. I think I did 5 or 6. So they're sort of ready to go, and I've ordered some labels. I have ordered some from Cozy Club, but I know they take a little while to arrive, and I ordered some from Little Rosy Cheeks. I have got labels, but they're all sort of the flat labels that just have a little fold on the end, and I actually really prefer the half label where it's like a bit clamshell and it comes together like that. So I ordered these from Jenny Stitchers. No, I didn't. I ordered these from Little Rosy Cheeks, not Jenny Stitchers. I ordered them direct from Victoria. So the first packet, I'll just tip them out because I've already ripped it open, is they're just 2 different ones. So one's brown and one's blue. So they just say, on one side it just says, let me get the camera right for you, original, and it's the same on the other side. And then the other one is orange, and that says bespoke. So that is that packet. And the other ones, I think everybody got these. Come on, if it's a Spice Girls song, you're already singing it in your head. These are such a great idea. And when I saw them, I knew I was going to get them at some point. So these are, of course, the Swing It, Shake It, Move It, Made It ones. So I love both of those. And I'll share the Cozy Club ones when they come along. So the fabric's due to arrive today. Because it's canvas, I can't sort of do a little video of it rippled, but I will try and take a picture of it and drop that in to show you that. And that's been my week really. New Fibre Mood edition has come out. I've had a look at it. There are some gorgeous things in there. I need to spend a bit more time browsing it and deciding which 5 patterns I'm going to get for my subscription. And yeah, so join me on Sunday. Of course, tell me in the comments what you're making, sewing, up to, how you're feeling, all the normal chat, because I love to hear from you. I've had lots of new subscribers recently, so welcome and thank you for subscribing. I know I mentioned last week we're really close to 4,000 subscribers. I haven't looked for a couple of days, but I think we need 5 or 6 more people to join the Sew Like Dotty gang. So if you haven't done that, just pop your email in, subscribe. You don't get bombarded by me or YouTube or anything. It just means when I load up content, if you press the little bell with the little things on, you'll get a notification and you can choose to watch if you want to. So give me a little like if you want to today. I know it's been super quick. Sorry it's a little bit late. Hopefully this will come out tonight, Friday night, if not tomorrow, and I get some super fab sewing done. The bag is still in progress. I haven't cut it out yet, but I am at a social sewing session on Sunday. It's our Stitch In Tyne event at Tesco at Kingston Park, and I'm really looking forward to it. Always love it. We've got some new people coming on Sunday, so that'll be lovely to meet them. So if you're coming along, I will catch up with you then, and otherwise I'll see you on Sunday for another vlog. Bye for now.